Hello Kizomba lovers! If you are new to this channel, my name is Armand.
My name is Lavinia.
And welcome to another tutorials of Kizomba. Today we will gonna talk about dissociations in Kizomba.
Dissociations are usually something that we do naturally, without thinking, when we are walking on the street, yeah? We usually don't walk like this on the street. Only if we are zombies, I don't know. But we usually walk like this, yeah? And it happens. You don't have to think about it. But I don't know, when we try to make people aware of this thing, they suddenly forget it and they don't know how to do it and they think a lot. Yeah? So let your body do its thing. Now, in order to practice this, we are going to do a little exercise.
We will start by open our feet, okay? Like this. Try to bend a little bit your knees. And from this position, we will move our body towards my left leg and after that towards my right leg, okay? From here.
One important thing first, be careful not to move the hips, okay? The hips should stay still.
My body towards my left leg and to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and stop. Try not to move your shoulders, okay? Your shoulders should be connected to your body. Let's do it one more time and practice with us. 5, 6, 7, and through the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and stop. Let's put this in walking step.
One very important thing in this situation is if you walk to the front or if you walk to the back, every time you keep your chest towards the leg that is in front. Now we are going to show it. On the first step, Armand is rotating his body to his front leg. I rotate my body to my front leg.
On the first step, I rotate my body towards my left leg. Now, I rotate my body towards my right leg. Like this. And now, just close and my body comes to natural position. Boom. From here, I go backwards. I orientate my body to my right leg. Boom. I step again into the back. I orientate my body towards my left leg. Boom. And now just close and body to normal position. Before moving on, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Now let's do it on counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3.
Basic 2.
5, 6, 7, 8. From here, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3.
Basic 2.
5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and stop. Let's do it on music. Guys, follow me. Ladies, follow Lavinia. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and stop. Now some tips for you. The first one, you should try to rotate your body only, not your feet. If you do it like this, 1, 2, and 3, in partner work, it would not be okay.
It's a total mess, okay?
The second tip is to not do it big, okay? If you are at home and you practice it, it's okay to exaggerate the move and do it like this, bigger, okay? But when you go to parties or in partner work, you should try to do a small move like this. Small, small, and close, small, small, and close.
When you're in the party and you're doing this movement, it's not even visible. You just feel it in your dance, in your couple. When you're in the party and you watch the couples, you don't even see this movement because it's very, very subtle. And for the ladies, it's very important to keep your dissociation as big as the one that your leader does.
To recap now, don't do this move like this. Your feet on the same line, your body rotates like this. The second tip, try not to do it big like this. Okay, keep it small and fluid. And the third one,
we should not do it by ourselves. Okay, if the guy is doing a small movement, I don't do it big just because I know that it should be a dissociation.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, baby, 2, 5, 6 again, and 5, 6 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, baby, 2, 5, 6 again. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video.
And also, if you want to learn salsa and bachata, or if you want to improve your salsa and bachata, Maris and Elena also have very good videos. You can check them in the description down below.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.